Well, how's everybody doing? Oh man, I've been working like crazy. It's about to kill me mentally and physically, but I figured I'd maybe do a little shooting today. This is the my FN high power, the Israeli police model, and I got some new grips for it. I got these off of Amazon, and they were literally like the cheapest ones I could find on there. Really, I think they were like, I don't even remember, 18 or 20 bucks, something like that. Came with the little screws, but you know, I like them. I like the feel of it a lot better than the original ones. Well, here they are. They were cool hand grips, the cheapest ones I could find, honestly, on Amazon. But anyways, I don't really care for the feel of those grips, like the little finger cut out or whatever. I like to keep kind of a higher grip on the pistol like that. So I put those on there. I like the feel of them. I'm gonna go shoot it, and I've just got some reloads. I'm gonna try some of these out. There's a bunch of factory reload or factory second bullets I bought from Midway. These I think they were anywhere from like $15 to $17 a box, depending on what I got. These are the ones I loaded up. These are 147 grain 9mm, and basically it's the SIG, because I've got some. It's a SIG V-Crown is what they are. And of course the SIG ones are a little bit shinier. The finish on these is a little dull, but I mean, big deal. Those are good bullets. One thing about this lanyard loop here, obviously these grips, they didn't have this cut out here, so I thought about removing this, but it's like punched in there and mushroomed on the back, and I didn't really want to drill it out, so I wanted to just kind of leave it. So what I did is, instead, with these cheap grips, I just put these in a vise. And my work is not perfect. I didn't do a perfect job there, but anyways, I did the best I could. Drilled out the hole around the lanyard loop, so these grips would actually fit on the gun, and leave the lanyard loop intact, so that way it's there. I could put the original grips back on it. It could still be original, that way, so I didn't have to remove that. So anyways, did a little bit of drilling on the cheap grips here to make it work. Alright, well, I don't know. I like the grips. I like the way they feel and everything. They do have a little bit of bite back here on the back, but I don't mind it. I think they're a little bit of an improvement over what's on there. So they're not bad for cheap Amazon grips. I don't know, I shot the gun pretty well. It grouped pretty well. I mean, the sights on this gun, it's been beat to heck and back. It doesn't have the greatest sights on it, but I mean, it is what it is. It's a FN, high power. It's a Israeli police model, and it's most of those. I mean, they've had the heck beat out of them. But there's my little mushroom flower. Those weren't moving very fast. I loaded those the same as I load those 147 grain TC to like 3.4 grains of tight group. So I mean, out of this gun, it's probably only running about 950 feet per second, you know, give or take. So, you know, not bad. Nice little flower there. Nice little pretty flower. So anyways, there it is. Not much, that's all I got. Just out doing some shooting, some reloads, just testing those out, goofing around. Y'all have a good one. See you on the next one.